Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make cabbage no omelette okonomiyaki風. It's an omelette cooked with a lot of cabbage and finished like okonomiyaki, Japanese savory pancake. It's like a gluten-free version of okonomiyaki. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this cabbage no omelette, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 8 eggs, so it's 2 per person. Some cabbage. I'm using a quarter of a huge head. Some shredded mozzarella, as much as you like. Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise, okonomiyaki sauce, or you can use barbecue sauce instead. Some salt and pepper, aonori seaweed flakes, and katsuobushi fish flakes. Let's shred the cabbage first. I'm going to use this vegetable slicer because I want to make very thin and fluffy shreds, but you can of course use knife. It's very thin and fluffy. Beat 2 eggs in the bowl. Some salt and pepper to taste, and a quarter of the shredded cabbage and the cheese. Mix it well. So the egg is like a glue to stick everything together. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium-low heat. And let's put the mixture. Try to form pancake shape. Put the lid on and cook it over medium heat until the bottom side is nicely browned. Cooked for 5 minutes or so, so let's check the color of the bottom. Looks good, so let's slide it out on the plate. Then frying pan on top and flip it to cook the other side. Lid back on and cook for another 3 minutes or so. Cooked for 3 minutes, so let's check the bottom side. Looks good, so let's take it out on the plate. Okonomiyaki sauce. Generous amount. Spread it all over. And Kewpie mayonnaise. Using toothpick, let's do this. To make it look prettier, katsuobushi fish flakes, aonori seaweed flakes, and Cabbage Omelette's okonomiyaki food is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It tastes exactly like okonomiyaki but much lighter because it doesn't contain any flour. And you can arrange by adding some ham or bacon if you like. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Cabbage omelette is the main, so it goes here. The omelette is fluffy and soft, so I want to add crunchy texture to the meal. So how about vegetable sticks with miso mayo dipping sauce for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. Plain rice here and sweet potato miso soup or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.